That's right.
Yeah, welcome back. It's a nice warm day, but yesterday was not much. Let's go.
What's up, everyone? It's been a while since we posted any sort of vlog. The weather here has been absolutely horrible. We were sledding on this hill on Sunday, and today's Tuesday. Freezing cold, like 2, 3, 4 degrees in here in the south. Even though we're from New York, I should be used to it, but I hate it. We got pounded with snow. So we haven't really been outside a lot. We come outside to feed the animals, and that is about it. So here we are. This isn't going to be much of a video, to be completely honest. So do you want to say something to make this short vlog somewhat interesting?
Do you still want me to dump this wax all over your body later?
Wow.
Lava hot.
I don't think that's what our viewers want.
Our viewers need to know your kinks.
Our subscribers. What are you doing?
I'm making a centerpiece.
What?
I'm putting vintage brass candlesticks into this lovely lantern.
Let's go see what the kids are doing.
Okay. Sorry, not fun.
This is the goat area. As you can see, like on the other side, that's where the cows stay.
Yeah.
We got that big opening area.
What are their names?
That's Enid the cow, and that's
Which one's Enid? Is Enid on the left or the right?
That's one right there. The one that isn't like dark color.
Yep. So is Enid on the left or the right?
That left.
Nope.
Right.
Yep. And then who's the one on the left?
Hershey.
Hershey.
That's Hamilton. Esther, Harriet, and Esther and Harriet.
Yep.
And
is Hamilton a boy or a girl?
boy. And
So does
both
that
of those
mean-
ones are girls.
Yep. Does that mean we're gonna have babies soon?
Yeah.
Hey Freya, welcome to the channel.
Hi. And right here, that what you smell is the poo. That's right there.
That's what we smell.
Okay, on to the tour. Let's go. Fun.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go, Channel. Are you okay? It's not that bad today, so. Yeah, it's nice and
No, it's warm out today.
Yeah. Yeah, good thing it was cold out.
Summer is on its way.
Yeah. Summer's on.
What, babe? Oh, hang on. Can we zoom in and see that? That's pretty. I'll come get a closer look shortly.
Okay, to the chicken area.
Okay, let's go.
Look at all our chicken. As you can see, that is Bert. He's the hurt chicken.
He is hurt.
Yeah, his eye is hurting. So there's our new chicken.
What are their names?
That one is Biscuit.
Isn't it? What's her name? What's the new chicken's name again?
I don't remember.
Winona?
What? And that's Golden Head. I call them him.
No, what's his name? That's Flynn. That's our rooster.
And there's Flower.
Yep, there's Flower.
Where's
Oh.
Strawberry? Strawberry, berry. Strawberry. Oh, look at Freya.
Hey, what are you doing up there? What is she doing?
Probably burying a rock.
Let's go see her.
Freya, let me go.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Run up the hill.
Let's go.
Come on. Hey, what are you doing up here? Oh, wow. Is this all water?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
We know.
What are y'all doing?
We are looking at the new fire. If you don't have a fire pit, this is
Oh,
what you
that's
need.
what Mommy was working on.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
I thought it was kind of a nice juxtaposition of old and new because it's so modern in the lantern, but then it's got the old candlesticks.
Yeah, that's really cool.
And I really like this handle. It'll be really cool to like hang it up by like a chain.
If you don't have a fire pit, get that.
But thanks for joining our channel. Sorry this was not the best episode. We just wanted to give you all a quick little update, something to watch. And I hope everyone's having a good week. And we will see you all later.
tomorrow, probably.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, what do we have to say?
Subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell too.
The bell.
Yeah, the bell button. The subscribe. And make it gray.
You mean the like button?
Yeah.
A thumbs up?
Yeah, but there's also a bell button.
Oh yeah, for notifications?
Yeah.
That's so that people will get notifications when we post a video.
Yeah.
All right, see y'all later. Peace.
Peace out.
Peace out.